Imagine waking up every day with your goals so clear that you feel pulled toward them almost automatically. No confusion, no chaos, just direction, confidence, and momentum. That's the power of a financial vision board. And today I am going to show you how to create one that can transform your money mindset and your entire financial life. Welcome back to Rich Map. If you are new here, I create videos that help you build wealth, boost your financial confidence, and design the life you really want. And in today's video, we are diving into one of the simplest but most powerful tools anyone can use to stay focused on their financial journey. So grab a notebook, grab your goals, and let's build a vision board that actually works. A financial vision board is more than just pictures on a wall. It's a visual representation of the future you want to build, your dream lifestyle, your money milestones, your investments, your goals, and the habits you want to develop. The reason it works is because your brain is wired for clarity. When you see your goals every day, your mind naturally starts helping you find ways to achieve them. It makes you more intentional, more disciplined, and more committed. The first step in creating a powerful financial vision board is knowing exactly what you want. Most people say things like, I want to make more money, or I want to save more. But those are vague and weak goals. Your vision board needs clarity. Ask yourself, what do I truly want my financial life to look like in the next 5, even 10 years? Maybe you want to clear debt, save for a house, build an emergency fund, invest consistently, buy your dream car, or retire early. Be specific. Write down actual numbers. Once you know your goals, the next step is gathering images, words, and symbols that represent those goals. Think of your vision board like a movie trailer for your life. It should show you what you are working toward. If your goal is to become debt-free, print out a screenshot of your loan balance and cross it out. If you want to buy a house, find a picture of the type of home you want. If your goal is financial freedom, add symbols like passive income, investments, or the number that represents the amount you want to earn. If you want to improve your habits, include words like discipline, consistency, focus, or abundance. Choose images that genuinely excite you, not what society says you should want, but what matters to you. Now, it's time to build the board. You can use a physical board, like a corkboard, a poster, or a notebook, or create a digital one using Canva or Pinterest. A physical board is great because you can put it where you will see it every day. But a digital board works amazingly well too, especially if you use it as your phone or laptop wallpaper. Arrange your images and words in a way that makes sense to you. Group your goals together. Savings goals, investment goals, dream lifestyle goals, habits and mindset goals. Make it visually appealing, something you will enjoy looking at. Remember, the board does not need to be perfect. It just needs to be meaningful. After you create your vision board, the next step is daily exposure. A vision board only works if you actually see it and feel connected to it. Put it in a place where it becomes part of your routine. Look at it every morning before your day begins and every night before you go to sleep. This keeps your brain focused on your financial direction and makes you more aware of your choices throughout the day. You will start asking yourself, does this action bring me closer or further from my goals? That's how a vision board quietly changes your habits. But here's the most important part. A financial vision board is not magic. It's a tool. It would not work unless you work. The board gives you clarity, but your daily actions create results. So once your vision board is complete, break down your big goals into small, manageable monthly or weekly tasks. If your goal is to save $10,000, break it into saving $200 or $300 per month. If your goal is to invest every month, set up an automatic transfer. If you want to increase your income, commit to learning new skills or starting a side hustle. Your vision board sets the direction, and your habits take you there. The more consistent you are, the more powerful the board becomes. You will start checking things off your board, and that builds confidence. When you see progress, you feel motivated to keep going. And eventually, you start adding bigger dreams and bigger numbers. That's how wealth is built, not through luck, but through clarity, focus, and action. Another powerful trick is to update your vision board every few months. Your goals will grow, your progress will change, and your mindset will evolve. Refresh your images, add new goals, and remove goals you have already achieved. Make it a living, growing document of your financial journey. This keeps you emotionally connected and prevents your board from becoming just another decoration. And finally, allow yourself to dream bigger. Most people limit themselves because they think their dreams are too big or unrealistic. But the purpose of a vision board is to remind you that you are capable of much more than you think. When you see your dreams every day, they stop feeling impossible and start feeling achievable. You begin to act like the person who reaches those goals. And once your mindset shifts, your life follows. If you want to transform your finances, start with vision, then add discipline, and stay consistent. Your financial life does not change overnight, but it changes the moment you decide to take control. Thank you for watching Rich Map. If this video inspired you, make sure you hit like, subscribe, and share it with someone who needs a little push towards their financial goals. Your vision is powerful. Now it's time to bring it to life.